Welcome to Rustbuster Framework's installation guide
for Toyota's 2001 to 2004 Sequoia.
Before you begin, if you're uncomfortable performing any of the processes listed in this guide, then we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you are following all of their manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery. Inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Repair or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards.
Step 2. Remove your vehicle's gas tank. For the best access and efficient way to remove and install the Crossmember, we recommend you remove each body mount bolt and lift the body off the frame about 6 to 8 inches. Step 3. Begin removing the Crossmember from the frame rails by cutting along its retaining welds, while preventing damage to the nearby rail as much as possible. Grind the work area free of rust and debris, revealing bare metal. Coat the work area with a weld-through primer to help prevent against further rust development. Step 4. With a pair of C-clamps, orient the included backing plates over the area where the factory crossmember was located. Followed by tack welding the plates and verifying their alignment. Lay the crossmember onto the frame rails and in between the backing plates. Use the markings of the factory crossmember's removal as reference points. Tack weld the crossmember and verify its alignment. Step 5. Completely weld the crossmember and the backing plates of the frame rails around all edges. Coat the part and work area with a primer or other rust inhibitor to help prevent or reduce the risk of rust formation. We recommend our Rustbuster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint. Finally, reinstall your gas tank and your body mount bolts, and you're done.